Hey there, explorers! Today we're off to a place where green jungles meet bright blue oceans, where the natural beauty is simply breathtaking. Imagine a land where the vibrant hues of the rainforest blend seamlessly with the azure waters of the ocean, creating a picturesque landscape that seems almost too perfect to be real. This is a place where old ways mix with new, where the rich cultural heritage is celebrated alongside modern advancements. Picture traditional dances performed against the backdrop of a bustling cityscape, where historical buildings stand proudly next to contemporary architecture, and where adventure is just around the corner. Welcome to Panama, a country that grabs your heart and never lets go. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie looking for your next thrill, or someone who simply wants to soak in the natural beauty, Panama has something for everyone. From zip-lining through the treetops to hiking up scenic trails, the opportunities for adventure are endless. Imagine walking through thick jungles full of amazing animals, smelling sweet orchids, and feeling the damp earth beneath your feet. The rainforest is alive with the sounds of nature, from the rustling of leaves to the calls of exotic birds, and hearing howler monkeys calling through the trees. Their distinctive calls echo through the forest, adding to the sense of adventure and mystery. It's a symphony of sounds that you won't find anywhere else. Picture yourself on perfect beaches, feeling the warm Caribbean sun while you sip a cool coconut drink. The soft sand beneath your feet and the gentle waves lapping at the shore create a sense of peace and relaxation. Think about exploring old city streets where every corner holds a piece of history. The cobblestone streets and colonial architecture transport you back in time, offering a glimpse into the past. Where the buildings tell stories of the past, each one with its own unique tale. Plaques and markers provide insights into the historical significance of these structures, making your exploration both educational and fascinating. And busy markets are full of colorful crafts and yummy smells. The vibrant market stalls are a feast for the senses, with artisans showcasing their handmade crafts and street vendors offering delicious local delicacies. From the exciting city of Panama City, where the skyline is dotted with modern skyscrapers and the streets are alive with activity, to the peaceful islands of Bocas del Toro, where time seems to slow down and the serene beaches offer a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Panama has something for everyone. So pack your bags, get ready for adventure, and come with me as we explore this amazing country. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a bit of both, Panama promises an unforgettable experience. Let's dive into the heart of this incredible destination and discover all the wonders it has to offer. Right in the middle of Central America, Panama is a skinny strip of land that plays a crucial role in connecting two massive continents. It serves as a natural bridge, joining North and South America, making it a pivotal point for both geography and commerce. This is why Panama is often referred to as the Bridge of the World. Its strategic location is vital for international trade and travel, with the Panama Canal being one of the most significant waterways globally. Nestled between Costa Rica to the west and Colombia to the east, Panama isn't a large country by any means. In fact, it's a little smaller than the U.S. state of South Carolina, but don't let its size fool you. Despite its relatively small size, Panama boasts an incredible variety of landscapes that are as diverse as they are beautiful. From towering mountains that offer breathtaking views to lush green rainforests teeming with life, to pristine beaches and idyllic tropical islands, Panama's geography is nothing short of spectacular. This diverse range of landscapes means that Panama is home to a wide array of plants and animals, many of which are unique to the region. From the elusive jaguars that roam its dense jungles to the vibrant coral reefs in Bocas del Toro, which are a haven for colorful marine life, Panama is truly a paradise for nature lovers and adventurers alike. Whether you're exploring its rich biodiversity or simply soaking in the scenic views, there's something for everyone in this remarkable country. Panama has over 4 million friendly people, each contributing to the vibrant and diverse social fabric of the nation. The warmth and hospitality of the Panamanian people are evident in their everyday interactions, whether in bustling markets or serene countryside settings. This country is a melting pot, a mix of cultures and backgrounds that make it special. Walking through the streets, you can see the rich tapestry of influences from various parts of the world, all blending seamlessly to create a unique Panamanian identity. While Spanish is the official language, you'll hear English too, especially in places tourists go. This bilingual nature makes it easier for visitors to connect with locals and immerse themselves in the culture. Many Panamanians are proud of their ability to communicate in multiple languages, reflecting the country's openness and adaptability. The first people to live in Panama, like the Embera, Wunan, and Ngobe Bugle, have been here for a long time. Their rich histories and traditions are deeply woven into the cultural fabric of the nation. These indigenous communities have preserved their unique ways of life, passing down their customs and knowledge through generations. Their traditions are a big part of Panama's culture. From traditional dances that tell stories of their ancestors to intricate crafts that showcase their artistic talents, the contributions of these communities are invaluable. They offer a glimpse into the ancient roots of Panamanian culture. People from Europe, Africa, Asia, and other parts of Latin America have also made Panama their home, making it a super interesting mix of cultures. This diverse heritage is celebrated in various festivals and parades throughout the year, where people from different backgrounds come together to share their traditions and celebrate their shared identity. You'll see it in the music, food, and festivals. Panamanian cuisine is a delightful fusion of flavors, influenced by the many cultures that have settled here. Music festivals are vibrant events where you can experience the lively rhythms of salsa, cumbia, and other traditional genres. From salsa and cumbia music to the beautiful mola cloths made by the Kuna people, the artistic expressions in Panama are as diverse as its population. The intricate designs of the mola cloths are a testament to the creativity and skill of the Kuna women, who have kept this tradition alive for centuries. Panama's culture is a celebration of its history. Historical landmarks and cultural heritage sites across the country tell the story of its past, from the ancient indigenous civilizations to the colonial era and beyond. These sites are not just tourist attractions, but are cherished by the locals as symbols of their rich heritage. Wherever you go, you'll find friendly people who make you feel welcome. The sense of community and belonging is strong in Panama, and visitors often leave with a sense of having been part of something special. The Panamanian spirit of hospitality ensures that everyone feels at home, no matter where they come from. Panama City, the capital, is a cool mix of old and new. Tall skyscrapers stand next to old neighborhoods with cobblestone streets and colorful buildings. In the middle of the city is Casco Viejo, a special protected place that shows Panama's history. You can walk down narrow streets with cute cafes and shops, see the big metropolitan cathedral, and get amazing views of the city. But Panama City isn't just about history, it's a busy city with lots of art, great food, and fun nightlife. There's something for everyone, from rooftop bars to jazz clubs. Outside of Panama City, there's even more culture to explore. Panama's people have many different traditions and beliefs. In the villages of the Embera and Wunan people, you can see old rituals, amazing crafts, and how they live close to nature. You can learn about their lives and how they keep their culture alive. From colorful festivals with music and dancing to delicious food with lots of flavors, Panama's culture is a big part of what makes it special. When the sun goes down in Panama City, the fun begins. From rooftop bars with great views to cozy jazz clubs in old neighborhoods, Panama City has a fun and exciting nightlife. If you like Latin music, the salsa clubs are full of energy. There's live music everywhere, from reggae and jazz to rock and electronic music. And it's not just in the city. All over Panama you'll find bars and restaurants where you can meet friendly locals. Panama's nice weather, friendly people, and affordable living make it a popular place for people to move to. It's easy for people from other countries to live in Panama because there are lots of ways to get permission to stay, like retirement visas and programs for investors. These programs usually ask for things like proof that you have money, no criminal record, and investing in Panama. The government has made it easier for foreigners to move there. Panama is safe, and the economy is growing, which makes it a great place to live and work. Getting around Panama is easy. The Panama Canal is amazing and connects the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. Panama also has good highways that connect all the major cities and towns. Buses are a cheap and easy way to travel. The internet and cell phone service are good almost everywhere, so you can easily stay in touch with people and find your way around. Women in Panama are important leaders in business, government, social justice, and culture. They're making a difference everywhere. Panama has a history of strong women leaders. Today you'll find women in education, healthcare, finance, and as business owners. The government wants to make sure women have the same opportunities as men. Panama is working hard to make sure everyone is treated fairly. Panama City is great, but there's so much more to see. From the cool mountains of Boquete to the beautiful beaches of Bocas del Toro, Panama has something for everyone. Boquete is a pretty town in the mountains known for its coffee. You can hike up Volcan Baru, the tallest mountain in Panama, or visit coffee farms. Bocas del Toro is a group of islands with amazing beaches, clear water, and a relaxed Caribbean feel. You can relax on the beach, snorkel, and explore the rainforests. Panama is a safe place for tourists, with less crime than other places in Central America. But it's always good to be careful. Be careful with your things, especially in crowded places. Don't carry lots of cash. There are lots of police, especially where tourists go. The government is working hard to keep everyone safe. Be aware of your surroundings and you'll have a great time. I hope you're excited to visit Panama. From Panama City to Bocas del Toro, Panama has so much to offer. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags and book your trip. Experience the friendly people, beautiful landscapes, and amazing culture. Your Panama adventure is waiting. Check out the tourism website and look online for more information. Share your experiences on social media with #VisitPanama. I can't wait to hear all about it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos.